Who said teaching and learning cannot be fun? As teachers, we should know that all children are unique and their level of understanding will not be the same. Some children learn best in what they can see, others they learn best in what they can hear, touch, or feel. That's where multisensory teaching comes in. Multisensory teaching is an approach designed to provide learners with various teaching and learning techniques by connecting more than one sense at a time. In this video, I will be showing how multisensory approach can be used to educate and accommodate all learners, especially those ones who have learning and attention difficulties. Enjoy. I've created this. It's a letter A. It's the capital letter A and the small letter A. So you can ask children to join the dots so that they will know how to write it. So you can give them colored pens so that they can also learn about color coordination, and they must know where to start. Like they should start here and then go all the way until they're done, and the same goes for the small letter A. So let me start. So the children can start here to draw the letter A and the small letter. So yeah, here it is. And you can do the same thing for B, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna move on to the numbers. You can also do the numbers, like you can tell the children that do join the dots to make a 1, join the dots to make a 2. So here's my 1. Should tell them to start from the top to do the 1, start joining the dots, and this is the 1. And you can tell them to do the 2 by joining the dots, by starting on top also and going all the way until they're done. And this is how it should be. So I feel like this is the best way to teach children about mathematics and language, because in everything they'll have to write. So their hand must get used to writing. So this can really help the children to master those skills. So yeah. And over here I have the word mom. So it can be a little bit difficult for the children to pronounce this word or any other word. So but I've discovered a method that you can use to help children spell the words like mom. So mom, if you look at mom, it has 3 letters. It's a M, a O, and a M. So it has 3 letters. So I've blended strings to help children. So as it has, you can see 3 strings, even though this word has 3 letters. So this can be M, and this can be O, and this can be M. So you can say mom, something like that. I've created different shapes with different alphabets. As you can see, it's from A to D, and it has the shapes of a circle, triangle, rectangle, and a square. So you can integrate mathematics and language using these, because it has different kinds of shapes and their textures are not the same, and it has different alphabets that children can learn from. Like you can either ask the student to come and feel the textures, the different textures. As you can see, this one, it's rough, like it's a rough A, and this one it's a little bit smooth A, but not that smooth. And then this one it's smooth because it's paper. So you can integrate mathematics and language using these. So over here I have rice, but I couldn't get sand, so I decided to use rice. So you can use rice to enhance the children's fine motor skills. So by using what they can feel, for example, rice, they can feel it. So you can ask a learner to write the word is on the rice. So they can write is. Although it must sound crazy or awkward, but it's actually helpful because children get to feel what they are working on. I've created a little a little mixture. It's a combination of Sunlight, the dishwashing soap, Colgate, and salt. So you can use this for children to write on as well. Created the hands, different hands with fingers. So you can use this to integrate mathematics and life skills. Like you can ask the learner to come and count what is 3 plus 1. So they have to put on the answer. So the answer is it's 4. So over here I've created a little box for children to roll. So you can use this also to do multisensory approach. Like you can ask the learners to roll this box, and then here it landed on brr. Like you can teach them about sounds. So if it landed on brr, like they can make the words like bread, break, words like that. Let's say maybe it's landed on so you have to ask them what word starts with this sound. So it can be mother, mom, like words like that. And also here like it's easy to teach children by what they can see and hear.